Have you been searching for a corner display cabinet that actually lives up to the hype? Something built to last, performs flawlessly, and truly gives you value for every dollar spent? Well, you're in the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we dig deep into real product performance so you can make smarter and more confident choices. In today's countdown, I'll be showcasing the top 5 best corner display cabinet you can get right now, comparing their features, build quality, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons that most reviews never tell you. Whether you're watching from anywhere across the world, this review is made to help you find the one that perfectly fits your needs and budget. So stay tuned till the very end because our number one pick might just surprise you. And as always, all the latest prices and official links are waiting for you down below in the description box. Now let's jump straight into the list and find out which one truly deserves to be called Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. VTRIN Modern 5-Tier Space-Saving Corner Shelf Portable and Durable Design for Living Room or Office. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. Brighten up your home with the Ubure VTRN Corner Shelf with Light, a modern 5-tier floor standing design that combines stylish decor with practical storage and lighting in one sleek piece. Built from sturdy engineered wood and metal with a laminated finish, this space-saving triangular shelf fits perfectly in bedrooms, living rooms, studies, or offices, offering a durable and versatile solution for organizing and displaying your favorite items. Each tier can hold up to 30 pounds, giving you ample room for books, plants, collectibles, or decorative accents while keeping your space neat and uncluttered. What makes this piece stand out is the integrated lighting system, featuring 6 adjustable color temperatures ranging from warm to bright white tones and multiple colorful light options like red, green, purple, yellow, and blue. With the included remote control, you can easily switch settings to create the perfect atmosphere, whether you want a cozy reading nook, a romantic glow, or a lively party mood. Its modern design ensures it blends seamlessly into any room style while maximizing corner space, and assembly is simple with all tools included. Functional, decorative, and long-lasting, this shelf with light truly enhances everyday living. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. Aheaplus Industrial 5-Tier Corner Wine and Liquor Storage Display Cabinet with 5 shelves. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. Elevate your home entertaining space with the Aheaplus Corner Bar Cabinet with Power Outlet, a modern industrial piece that blends style with smart functionality. Designed in a rustic brown finish with a sturdy engineered wood frame and rugged metal support, this tall cabinet fits neatly into any corner while offering a versatile setup for wine, liquor, and accessories. Features built-in outlets and USB ports so you can power your coffee maker, blender, or even charge your phone without the hassle of extra cords, making it perfect for daily use as well as social gatherings. The integrated LED strip lighting provides over 60,000 color options with multiple modes, including music sync, to set the mood for cozy evenings, lively celebrations, or relaxing nights in. With ample storage across open countertops, wine racks, glass holders, and a spacious double-layer cabinet with mesh doors, you can organize and display your favorite drinks and barware while keeping everything within reach. Adjustable feet ensure stability on uneven floors, while the anti-tipping design adds extra safety. Easy to clean and durable, this cabinet is a stylish upgrade that transforms any room into a welcoming bar space. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. ROJASOP 5-Tier Tall Corner Display Shelf Smart Color Changing Lights with App and Remote Control. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. Transform any corner of your home into a stylish and functional focal point with the ROJASOP 5-Tiers Corner Shelf with Light, a modern display solution designed to combine practicality with ambience. Crafted from durable wood with a lacquered finish, this tall space-saving shelf is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or even playrooms, providing 5 sturdy tiers that can hold up to 60 pounds in total. Each panel supports 15 pounds, giving you the freedom to showcase everything from books and trophies to crystals, wine glasses, or cherished collectibles. What sets this shelf apart is its built-in RGB lighting system, which can be customized through the exclusive mobile app, remote control, or shortcut button. With hundreds of color modes, 6 adjustable color temperatures ranging from warm to cool tones, and even music synchronization, it effortlessly sets the mood whether you want a cozy evening glow or a lively party vibe. Easy to install, waterproof, and simple to clean with a quick wipe, this corner shelf is more than just storage. It is a statement piece that elevates any space while keeping it organized and beautifully illuminated. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number 1 for many users. Number 2. BELLEZE 72 inches Ashfield wooden walnut lighted corner curio cabinet with glass door 6 shelves. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. Elevate your interior with the best lighted corner display curio cabinet, the BELLEZE 72-inch tall wooden curved shelving unit. Crafted from high-quality wood and available in cherry, walnut, oak, black, and white, this stunning piece features a classic curved design that adds elegance and warmth to any room. With 6 adjustable triangular shelves behind 2 side-hung tempered glass doors, it offers generous space to showcase your collectibles, antiques, or treasured decor. The built-in light and mirrored back panels enhance every display, creating a beautiful illuminated focal point. Slim, space-saving shape fits neatly into any corner, making it ideal for living rooms, dining areas, or offices. Designed for durability, each shelf supports up to 25 pounds with a total capacity of 150 pounds. The magnetic door catches keep your items safe and secure. Plus, with easy assembly in under 80 minutes, it's never been simpler to add style and functionality to your space. A must-have for every elegant home. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Broader 65 inches black corner display cabinet with glass doors and interior lights. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. Looking for the best corner display cabinet to elevate your home decor and showcase your collectibles and style? The broader corner display cabinet with glass doors is a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Standing at 65 inches tall, this lighted curio cabinet features 3 color LED lights, white, warm, and blue, with adjustable brightness to highlight your items day or night. Its pop-up magnetic glass doors offer a crystal-clear view of your prized pieces, while the 4-tier storage design makes it ideal for collectibles, antiques, books, or decor. With a smart motion sensor, the lights automatically turn on as you approach, adding convenience and a modern touch to your space. Designed to fit snugly in any corner, this cabinet maximizes space without compromising on style. Plus, it's easy to assemble and each shelf holds up to 40 pounds. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, this is the best lighted corner curio cabinet you'll want to own the year round. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.